Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today we're going to be changing the lights on this car. They're all halogen at the moment, yellow ones. I can show you if you want. We'll be putting in LED low beams and high beams. So this video will probably be low beams or high beams, I don't know. Either way, both will have it, and then we're going to change the fogs as well down here. So we'll do that in another video. But yeah, there's not really any videos on how to do it, so we're just going to wing it. You check the whole of YouTube, there's no video. There's nobody like modifying these Seats. We do?
Can you lie?
Why?
Drop the photo.
Your phone? Dude, kada.
That's the main.
Yeah, just switch on. Or just switch on. So this is the low beams. And the outer ones, that's your high beams. There's your fog lights. That will do. Okay, it's time to. Oh yeah, if you not watch the video on this, go check it out. We put Apple CarPlay system in. Why is it not focusing now? Very slow focus. Fucking hell. Alright. Okay guys, we're gonna get started. Guys, I'm gonna pop the bonnet open first. Make sure you don't drop this one, yeah. This is my new one. I can use my old one. Here's my old phone, a new phone. Make sure you don't drop it. It's very expensive and I've not paid it. Where's your key? Wait. Where's your key? Where is it? It's not in your pocket. Oh, it's cold. Come on. Don't walk in the middle of the fucking winter. Right, yellow beams on the outside. We'll do high beams, yes. I think high beams will be easier. What the fuck? High beam tends to be easier. Oh yeah, look. So, can we access this one? Show me. Are you showing anything? Make sure you watch on the screen. Because you're always looking somewhere and the cameras in Africa. Yeah, make sure it's like that, yeah. Okay, so here's your high beams. This one's your low beams. Low beams, high beams, low beams. Right? Same on this side. We might struggle on this side because it's a bit tight. We'll see if we can do it. Right, so let's start with the high beams. Because the high beams, I've seen online, there's literally no videos. But with the low beams, there's like a spring thing, so it might take us a bit longer to figure out how to do that one. So this one is that's low high beams, yeah. So high beams, so we're gonna pull this up. Oh dear, that's tight. Oh, I'm gonna have some black hands after this one. Oh, you bastard. So dirty. Right, so bulb is in there. So here is your high beam, this bulb here, right here. This first one here. So what you do is twist, I believe, or do you just pull it out? Should I take the connector out first? No, I'll just twist it out. No, I have to take the connector first. There you go. You just yank it off, like wiggle it. So I'll leave that down here somewhere. No, okay. And then there's your bulb. Make sure it's not hot. And then bulb. Just a pull one as well. Should be a twist. Wait, let me see. But watch the camera, make sure you can see. We do. This is what he do. Yeah, I think it's one of them you have to fucking wiggle out, you know. Nice fucking sharp one. Just yank it out. Yank it. Oh, that's fucking money, look. You see. Yeah, this is it's gonna break my hands. So the old bulb's out. Let's go grab a new bulb. Put this inside the car for a second. Okay. Make sure you don't drop it. Okay. Wow. With easy job, man.
What's cool and it clicks off when we do it.
Okay, don't- Right, we got the bulb here. So make sure you buy a bulb with a fan in, because they're the bright ones, yeah. And then first, where's my bloody, yeah. So with this, because it's LED, you can either go in one way or the other. There's no plus minus here, so you're just gonna plug it in and go test it first. So we're gonna go flash it. Have you got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna press the high beam. You tell me. I might be able to see anyway. Basically. So I'm gonna flash his high beam here. See if it turns on. If it doesn't, we're gonna switch the wiring around. Oh, right.
It's. Oh, you turn it on flat high beam?
Yeah, that's high beam.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Very bright.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we got the orientation. I'll give him a bucket here. So orientation is right. But if yours isn't working, all you do is take it out, put it the other way in and push it. That's it. So we know it's working. Now we just have to put it back in here. So the best pattern is having it flat like this. But we got it out the thing like that, so I think we're gonna have to put it this way in like that. So let's see if it works without needing any mounts. Yeah, looks like it just about fits there. Yeah, that ain't moving. Solid. And now put this away. That's the high beam on this side done. Now we'll have a look at the difference here. Big difference.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
It's working, doing it fully?
Yeah.
Okay. Could you see, when you were videoing, were you showing both sides?
Yeah, but it's like fuzzy, if you get me.
Huh?
It's like. You could just see light.
Could you see both
Yeah.
the yellow one?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's your difference. 100 times difference. Now we're going to do this side, same thing, but it's a bit tighter. So you just have to be a bit careful. Yeah. What do you do with the bulb? Is it in your pocket?
Yeah.
It's fucking everything in the way, man. This fucking shit's in my head. Because my hands are cold, it's hard to fucking unhook these shit. You have to unhook that bit.
Huh?
You have to unhook that.
Why is it?
My hands are hurting, bro. So pull that down, yeah.
Down.
That way. It's hard, isn't
Push
it?
it up.
No. Pull it. No.
Push it.
Yeah. Pull. There you go.
You have to push it up. That's what I mean.
Do it, yeah. Alright, I got it. Yeah. Ah, my hands are fucking broken now. That's why I don't like working in the cold. It always breaks your hand. Yeah. Oh, you didn't go over that.
Something like that.
Oh wait. Yeah, put the coat on there now. Ah. Oh, I fucking cut myself no wonder. It's fucking hurting. Ah, yeah. Right. I'm gonna try actually just pull this out with this in. It might be easier for me. Will it come out straight, same way? Yeah. Now I don't have to break my hand doing it. Now, yeah, turn the bulb. Shit, it's bleeding. There was some stickers on here, but I've took them off just because they have a chance of getting stuck in the fan. So if you do have any stickers here, mine had a help wanted thing or something else, customer service number on there. I took it all off just now. You just yank it and it'll come off. Right. So now, where is it here? So we'll plug it on now, see if it works. If it doesn't, Kabit, you tell me if it works. Keep an eye on this one. If it doesn't, we're going to switch it around. You ready? Oh my god, I got blinded.
Yep.
Okay, that's it. That's working. 100% that's working. I got blinded myself. So the other one, it was pointing downwards like this, so the wire was upwards, so we'll do it again that way. Want to wiggle it in place. There you go, perfect fit. And then push the wiring in so it's inside the case. Doesn't make a difference. And the only other bulb in there is your indicator bulb, but we're not changing that because there's nothing wrong with the indicator. Right, so now put this in there. There are two holes, so tight, man. There you go. There's the metal. Metal down. Ah, you busted. This is fucking hard, man. Is that not set in place properly? Is that set in place? Maybe. Yeah, it is. Maybe. Ah, so hard. There you go. Fucking hell. I don't know how we're gonna get these ones off. Okay. That's the high beam, so I'm going to go flash them now and you can have a look. I'll turn off the flash on here. You can have a look properly. Yeah, zoom out a bit. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Go flash them out. See. See how bright they are. Just do 1 or 2 flashes, yeah. Oh, very bright. Wow. Right. So that is a success. Can I show them without the lights on? And you can see without the yellow. Yeah. Do it like that. Can we flash it once, yeah? Oh wait, it's on 0. It's on 0. Oh, so we have a daytime running light bulb we need to change as well. I have to order that.
Huh? So what's this like?
Wait, what's up? That's your normal running bulb.
What's that? When it's off, it's always on.
Okay, so leave this on and then put it on 0 in a second. Yeah. When I tell you, I want to see if it's the same bulb. It might just be the same bulb at lower power. Go on, press 0. Nope, it's a different bulb. I believe that's a P something. We'll have to get that changed. We'll have to order that then.
What is it?
Yeah? It's a different bulb. It's not the same bulb. Hey, where's that come from now? Yes, yeah, it's the same bulb, but it's different. It's different brightness it's using.
So what's the difference?
Huh?
What's the difference?
That's your daytime running.
So then
that's
this?
off. But obviously you have to keep something on.
Why?
That's the UK law. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, just flash it then 1 second. Oh wait, which one's lower? Daytime running light's lower. Yeah, use that one. And then flash it, yeah. 1 second. Go on. That's it. Fuck it up. That's bright. Okay, there you go, fogs are done guys. It's quite simple, but it does leave you with injuries, quite bad injuries actually, so just be careful of that. Ah, you're busted. Yeah, I'm bleeding. Okay, the next one's going to be a big struggle, and yeah, we're not finished yet because we have one bulb in the corner left. The daytime running lights is going to make it yellow, the whole thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Good night. And guys, this is set to the highest setting, and it's pretty straight. The beam pattern pretty decent, very bright. Put your flash on, flash it. Very bright flash, as you can see. Amazing, very nice, very good. Good night.